In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record sales receipts manually in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and recording sales receipts is an important part of keeping your accounts up to date. Whether you're tracking product sales or services rendered, manually entering sales receipts ensures your records are accurate and organized. If you're new to QuickBooks Online or you don't yet have an account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. Now let's dive into the tutorial. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard. This is your central hub where you can access all the key features and tools QuickBooks has to offer. From the main dashboard, look to the top left corner of the screen, where you'll see a button labeled New. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options for creating transactions. In the drop-down menu, select Sales Receipt. This option is specifically designed for recording payments for products or services at the time of sale, so it's perfect for our purpose here. Once the sales receipt form opens, the first thing you'll need to do is enter the date of the transaction. Look for the date field and make sure you select the correct date when the sale occurred. This is important for maintaining accurate records. Next, input the customer's information. This includes their name and any relevant details, such as their email or address if applicable. If the customer is already in your QuickBooks system, you can simply select their name from the list. If it's a new customer, you can add their details manually. Now, move on to the description of the products or services sold. Be as clear and detailed as possible here. For example, if you're selling multiple items, list them out so both you and your customer have a full record of what was purchased. After that, specify the item quantities and their respective prices. You'll find designated fields for each of these, so just enter the numbers accordingly. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the totals for you, which is a handy feature to ensure everything adds up correctly. Before finalizing the receipt, take a moment to double-check all of your entries. Pay close attention to numerical data such as quantities, prices, and the total amount. Accuracy is critical, as this ensures your financial records and customer receipts are reliable. Finally, once you've reviewed everything and you're confident all the details are correct, click the Save and Close button located at the bottom of the screen. This will save the sales receipt to your records and close the form, bringing you back to the main dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a sales receipt manually in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.